Hi, today I'm going to show you the biggest airdrop in Solana history. Anyone can earn free money in literally 5 minutes thanks to Solana. It's important not to miss this opportunity because it's the biggest airdrop in history and it's all over social media. This is an event you shouldn't miss. As you can see, this is an official event that Solana announced on their X account. As you can see right now, I have 3 Solana in my balance, but that will change in just a couple of minutes. You need to go to the website mentioned in the video description. You may have also seen it at the beginning of the video in the official Solana post. All we need to do next is simply connect your wallet and make sure it's active and hasn't been blocked or had any other issues with the Solana blockchain. Now all that's left is to enjoy the Solana tokens, which will be credited to our balance within 5 minutes. Simply click the Receive Reward button and select my Trust Wallet. Then I wait for it to load, click Connect, and confirm. After another short loading time, about 3 Solans are added to my balance. As you can see, my balance has changed. It's now 6 Solans. Don't miss out!